A bad time. We lost everything, Sam.
But you didn't lose everything.
What do you mean we didn't lose everything?
I've still got you.
Do you remember, Mum?
That's odd.
Do you remember?
You know I sniffed those fumes by accident and I've lost a whole decade.
Oh, by accident. Oh, we all love the smell when it comes out the wash, but we don't know what it does to our brains. We don't know.
It's a natural disaster when the washing
Do
machine.
you know what last word, Claire?
30-degree wash. I don't know.
No.
Please tell me over and over again in the style of Dad. Please explain everything that I don't remember in those years.
I will. Mother's last words were soft and gentle. Mother's last words was everything we had left. And Mother's last words, she said so gentle. She said, "No, take me instead." You don't remember. Mother gave her life. Mother gave her freedom. Mother was right. Mother is gone. And you sit there, you sat there sniffing your views like she meant nothing. But she said, "No, take me instead." And you'll never know the heartache I feel being the only one with this memory. You don't know how hard it is not having to for my therapy. You don't know. I'm scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing, and no matter how much I scrub, it won't bring her back. She said, "Take me instead." And you sit there, and you sit there, and you sit there, and it's not enough. No, it's not enough to bring her back. No, it's not enough. Bring her back. Bring her back. Bring her back. Oh, you want to talk about living? You want to talk about the soft smells of whatever it was called, like manure or whatever? I don't know. I've forgotten, but I'll never forget her.